Hey guys, it's me, Desi, Senior Fund Manager of the Everly May Mortgage Note Fund. And I just wanted to tell you that you guys already know that I obviously manage a private equity fund and we invest in mortgage-backed promissory notes, but you may not be aware that I also have developed a program. It's called the Family Circle of Wealth. And this program is for passing on multi-generational wealth. It's really, in my opinion, the most brilliant strategy that I've ever seen. And I call it the most powerful legacy building strategy on earth. That's what I call it, okay? I've even written a book about it. It's called Family Circle of Wealth. It's available on Amazon. You can go to Amazon and you can order the book. They'll ship it right to your home. And you can read it and you can hear exactly what I was able to do for my family. I used the Family Circle of Wealth strategy in order to create a 360-year financial legacy for my family. 360 years, imagine that. That's a lot of generations, guys. And I talk in the book about how to do that and how anyone can actually set that up for their family. And I can tell you guys from personal experience, it has been a wonderful blessing for my family. It's brought my family closer together. My children, my grandchildren, my great-grandchildren, we're all closer as a result of me setting this up for our family. We set it up using a special purpose trust that I talk about in the book, and also special savings accounts called wealth savings accounts that I talk about again in the book. And so what you'll want to do, guys, is get the book, take a look at it, read it. It's a short read. I wrote it so that you can read it in an hour or maybe 90 minutes or so, and you'll get the gist of how this works. And then if you want to know more about it, all you got to do is just give me a call. My phone number's in the book. Give me a call and I'll be happy to tell you what I did and introduce you to the law firm that handled things for me, and they can get you all set up the same way. Now, here's what I do want to tell you guys. If you'd like a free copy of the book, I'll be happy to send you one. I will sign it, mail it to you at no charge, because this will be my gift to you. I know that if you set this up for your family, you're going to thank me one day, right? I'll be a part of your story. And so I will send you the book at no charge, okay? All you've got to do is just text me your name, your mailing address, where I should send this book. I'll just throw it in the mail for you, okay? So your name and your mailing address, text it to me at 951-551-0087, and I'll make sure that that happens for you, okay? All right, guys. Well, listen, God bless you all. I hope you guys will request the book, and I hope that once you read it, you'll implement it, because I know that if you do that, it's going to change your family's financial future forever, and your kids and your grandkids and your great-great-great-grandchildren will always remember you, and they'll always be thankful for you. So God bless you. We'll see you next time.